Oh,
yes,
come on.
I won.
Excellent game, Bojangles.
Thank you. I'm so proud of you.
Wanna play Yars Revenge?
Sure.
I can't wait to play this with you, Hick. Excuse me, Bojangles.
That's okay.
Anyways, I'm going to show you how to play this. Huck. Bojangles, I think I got the hiccups.
Then let's try getting rid of them by taking some Robitussin.
So what should I, Huck, do, Bojangles?
Try drinking this whole bottle of holy water, dirty water, or shall I say, just plain water without stopping it. Like what Starship says in the song, nothing is gonna stop us now.
Oh, Huck. K. Glug 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 glug. Burp. That was so cold. Bojangles, I think it finally worked. Let's go back to my room and, Huck.
Let's try something else. I know. Try hanging
Huck.
upside down for as long as you can, like Diana Ross did in a song called Upside Down.
Okay. I'll do that.
Upside down, you're turning me. You're giving
Huck.
love instinctively. I said around and round, you're
Huck.
turning me. I seated thee respectfully. Did that thing work?
I do think so, Huck.
Okay. Let's try something different. Oh, hold your breath for as long as you can, so that you cannot catch your drift.
Huck. Ugh, will they ever go away?
We'll do something else. I know, stick your tongue out like you do in the Rolling Stones logo.
But I might, Huck. Accidentally taunt you, Huck.
Just look a different direction. Look at the lower Manhattan skyline, where the Brooklyn Bridge is located.
Yes! I did it. They really work for me.
Great job, Shirley.
Thank you, Bojangles. You really helped me, Huck.
Okay. Let's do another one.
Then none of these are going to, Huck, help. Let's just give up and, Huck, keep playing Atari, Huck. 2600. They'll just disappear sooner or later.
I know just what to do. Just stay still. It's not going to scare you.
Bojangles, what are you, Huck, doing? Huh? Bojangles, why did you do that? That scared me to death. Bojangles, my hiccups are now completely gone. Thank you so much for helping me.
My pleasure, Shirley.
Now let's go back to my room and play Atari 2600.
Heck.
Oh no, here we go again.